had some requests on my YouTube channel, so I'm going to do a video what it's like to own a CTS-V. This is my V right here. I've done quite a few mods to it, so it's not stock, but it is a blast to own. I'll tell you a few things that I like and some things that I dislike about it. First thing about a V, man, these things are fucking fun. The price is actually kind of going down on some of them, but they're holding their value pretty damn good. Like I said, this is my V. I got full bolt-ons. As you guys know, if you're watching my channel, we got all the E85 stuff coming in this week. My birthday was like 2 days ago, so I went on a shopping spree. We got all the E85 stuff coming. So we're gonna be making some good power, man. I went ahead and ordered the Metco lower pulleys and everything, so we're gonna make it some good power. So let's go back here to the back. Got a set of Mickey Thompsons with the wheels on it. My car is dirty right now, so just please excuse me. I didn't want to wash it and shit like that. But you're gonna need these if you're gonna make some good power on a V. The stock tires are just, hey, watch out. Don't record the beat up shoes. These my beaters right now, you know what I'm saying? Don't record those. But man, owning a V is a fucking blast, man. They aged well. This is a V2 specifically. So if you do get a CTS-V, I advise you to probably get this one. If you got big pockets, you know, you can get that V3. That's big bank pockets, you know, but this one is more raw to me. If you own a CTS-V like this, you know these cars are raw. They just have raw power. They just feel raw. They do have the luxury. So if you go over here to the inside, so if you get a CTS-V, you get that standard navigation is going to be up in here. The dash, the navigation goes up and down, retracts inside of the car. The steering wheel, you get a nice grippy steering wheel. The seats, you get the leather with the suede or Alcantara suede, whatever that is in there. The car rolls, man, that shit is nice. I got the carbon package so you can see the carbon fiber on the doors and everything like that. All right, another thing about the CTS-Vs is the attention. Man, these things get a lot of attention. I've had over 200 and some plus cars, guys. If you go to my previous videos, you can see like my LS swapped RX-7, my LS swapped Turbo 350Z, all those type of cars. They got attention, but this thing gets crazy attention, like more than those. I pull up into a gas station, everybody's asking. I mean, it's probably because of the cam and everything, but still, like with the tire setup and stuff like that, people are always asking, what do you got done to it? What's in it? What's in it? And to this day, people still don't know what a V is. So that's the cool thing about these cars. People still don't know what a V is today. So I'll get people that ask me like, why did you do that to a Cadillac? I'm like, what? It's a V. What do you mean? Why did I do that to a Cadillac? Do y'all not see this right here? Do you not see this right here? Jesus Christ. And the crazy thing is, like, I had a guy, I was at QT, he comes and he asks, why do you do that to a Cadillac? Why you turn it into a sports car? And I'm just like, I looked at my car and then I'm like, it comes like that, it's a sports car. But his main thing is, he was from Houston, so he was like, I'm so used to people putting swangers and shit on the Cadillacs, man, no offense, but I'm used to swangers. I'm like, swangers on this? Oh no, we ain't doing that, fam. We're not doing that over here. So the thing is, man, these things get a lot of attention. Just look at it. It's a great car. You don't see a lot of these every day. But these things came out in 09 to about 14 or 15 in this body style, and you still don't see them every day. They're rare to find on the streets. I think in my area there's maybe like two or three over here. I know I have a subscriber over here. I saw you at the gas station, man. I tried to catch up to you, but you took off before I got there. Now, one thing I do not like about the CTS-Vs, but I also do love about it, is that the car is so simple. Like, as far as body mods, you really don't need anything on this body to make it look like just crazy good. Like, this thing is simple. My last video was me putting on that front lip right there, which I had the link in the description in the last video. But just as far as over the car overall, it just looks like a sexy car with nothing on it. Now my boy has the Scat Pack right here, you know. And you know the Scat Pack guys, they gotta put a splitter on it, they gotta put a wicker bill, they gotta put their side skirts, they gotta put all these extra LED lights that don't give them no horsepower, all on the Scat Pack. While we over here, we could just do nothing and our car looks just beast. You know, V's are just great cars, man. No hate to the Scat Pack guys, no hate to the Scat Pack guys. It just, I see y'all typically doing that to y'all's Chargers, Challengers, and you know, we get the V's. We don't get too many mods. Like, I think they came out with a new carbon fiber kind of spoiler. I'm thinking about getting it, but I kind of do like how just the regular bareback looks. But that's another thing about the CTS-Vs. They just look good with nothing done to them. You don't have to do too much. So for the Vs, it's easy to make power out of these things. Basic power. They start off with what, 556 at the crank. The first couple mods that you probably want to do is an intake, exhaust, That intake, you're gonna hear that supercharger so much more, man. The supercharger whines a lot in these cars. So you put an intake, headers, exhaust, and you probably get a smaller upper pulley, and you're already making about 5 something to the wheel, easy. These cars love E85, so I think ordering everything for the E85 kit was about $2K. So it's kind of expensive to do the E85 swap, but the E85 will literally get you about 50 to another 100 horsepower on your V. So that's like one big thing these cars love. So if you're gonna do that, get the E85 intake tune, and you're good, man. You make good power for a good daily. As a daily, they're excellent dailies. These things are reliable as hell. I mean, it's an LS based car, so they're reliable as fuck. My car, I rarely drive it, man. It sits up. I drive it maybe like once or twice out of the week. It explains why it's dirty and I don't feel like cleaning it. I do keep a car cover over the car and I keep it maintained, but I don't feel like, why it's black. I'm getting tired. That's why in the last video I asked you guys, should I wrap it? Should I go with more power? But we're going with more power. We'll probably do the wrap too, maybe. I don't know, but that's big pockets, man. I ain't got the big pockets yet, you know. I'm still over here in the hood, man. We still out here in the hood. But these things make excellent dailies. Specifically, like I said, I don't daily mine. I don't know why, but a good thing about these cars, they have a good reputation. V's always have a good rep. Mainly the V2s. Now, if you got a V1, that's a little different story because y'all have the 6 lug wheels. I don't know why they did that. Y'all got the glass rear end. So if you're looking at a V's, like I said earlier, try to get a V2. If you get a V1, hey, all props to you. You can put power in those things. They still make great power. They're still great cars. But these are just more practical to make power out of. They're just really intimidating cars. People know what they are for the most part, unlike those guys at QT and stuff. But I do get old ladies. I get older women, like in their 50s. Is that a Cadillac? Why it sounding like that? I like that. I'm like, what the hell? Okay, lady. But that's the cool part about owning these. But another thing, man, the sound. This is my exhaust. Cletus McFarlane body with boost cam. Goddamn camera, you know what I'm saying? That thing is fucking great. But overall, man, this is a great car. These things are great. If you're gonna pick up one, I advise you to try to get a V2. If you can get one of the small basic mods, don't try to get anything that's too modded up, 700-800 horsepower, somebody else's build. Try not to get that. If you can get one with an intake, tune, exhaust, you're good, and then you can just kind of build on it as your own platform. That's always what I try to do. Like, I got this one pretty much completely stock. I think it had an intake already. And basic things, I went ahead and took the initiative, opened the motor up. The whole top end is new. Every gasket on this car is new. The Cletus McFarlane bald eagle boost cam, I did some reviews on that. I tried to go in depth looking for footage. It's hard to find things about the V because a lot of people don't pretty much post a lot, I guess, on the V. Any video I kept seeing was a lot of just tuning and dyno videos. But as far as like tear down and them doing, I never really saw too much. So in my previous video, I showed you guys me doing the cam, taking everything apart. We got the ported stout. We pretty much went through it and did some good work. The car runs fantastic. We're about to put the E85 on it, so make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate y'all tuning in, man. All y'all subscribers, I see y'all comment down below. I listen to y'all, I like y'all. I would like to meet up with y'all one day, and I really appreciate y'all tuning in. This is my V. This is what it's like to own a V. It's badass car overall, good daily, makes good power. Get your tire set up on it, and you straight.